Good morning, guys. So today is Thanksgiving and I'm home for the break. I got back on Monday afternoon and then I leave again early this Monday morning. So I'm just home for a week, chilling with the family. We got Thanksgiving coming up today. Tomorrow we're getting a Christmas tree and going on a hike. Just some fun family activities. It's like a little bit of a weird Thanksgiving because it's, you know, Corona. We're doing socially distanced. It's literally just us and my two grandparents. But I want to vlog it for you guys, show a little bit of my home life, and yeah, so it is like 11 a.m. right now. You guys know I don't normally sleep in. However, this time difference, it usually doesn't really affect me that much, but like, I'm not really trying to fight it this time. So I went to bed at 3 and now I'm awake and it's 11. So a little bit weird, but you know, at this point, I might as well just go with it. So anyway, I'm hungry, so let's go get some food. Hey, puppy. I made some apple pie inspired oatmeal for Thanksgiving. So I've made like variations of this before in my videos, but basically I just microwave the quick oats with like a cut up piece of fruit. Today's an apple, and then I put on some granola, so it's kind of like a crumble situation, and then I add on some syrup for a sweetener and some cinnamon. And guys, it's so good.
Didn't get you any coffee, Corny.
Thank you.
You're welcome, Susan. It's so nice out.
It's sunny.
We lucked out in the weather.
Hey, Peanut. Oh, it's kind of warm.
I tell you.
It's so bright. It's 12:30 and I haven't done anything.
Yeah.
I don't know what to do. I'm so bored. Okay, it's like 1 something. Is it? It's 1:15 now, and I've literally done nothing all day. I don't even know what to do with myself. I'm so freaking bored. But I'm gonna get a little workout in because we have a Peloton at home, and I don't actually love the Peloton that much, but I feel like while I'm here, I should take advantage of it. So I'm gonna do a little 30-minute ride and then maybe go for a walk with my dogs because it is kind of warm. "45-minute turkey burn."
45 minutes of a turkey burn. Happy Thanksgiving, family.
Okay, this is my Thanksgiving day look. I put a little too much like setting spray on, and my setting spray has glitter in it, so I'm just like really glittery right now. I feel like you can't tell on camera though. But yeah, I'm really glittery. But this is my outfit. So this dress, I can't remember where it's from actually. And then this blazer is from Zara. It's like my favorite thing ever for like winter, fall. It goes with everything. And then I just have these boots from Steve Madden. And that's the look. I mentioned this briefly earlier, but we are doing our Thanksgiving outside because of COVID, so it could potentially be a little bit chilly. However, I do think right now it's like 65. It might get to like 60 by the end of the night, but like honestly, that's not that bad, and that's really warm for Maryland, so I think I'll be good in a dress. I was kind of worried, but I think we'll be fine. We're doing it on like my grandma's screened-in porch, and like we'll be spread out and all that. So yeah, it's gonna be a little weird, but I think the weather is cooperating at least.
Girls, can you? Thank you.
Lots of food.
I can check. Hi, guys.
Hello. Oh, it's our table and their table. 6 feet apart. So we did all these like individual appetizers, so we're not sharing food. You want to explain what you made?
So I made a crudité, and then the dips is a new avocado dip, and then the other one is sort of kind of like a ranch, except I use a non-dairy yogurt, and it's got fresh chives, fresh dill, a little bit of honey, Dijon mustard. Ted, would you like? So kind of 2 different kinds. And then everybody has their own little plate, so there's no
Dill's good.
And we got our heaters going, so it's not too cold.
And we're outside.
Kind of.
I lost my champagne again.
Grandma lost her champagne again.
Oh, I know, I put it here.
And believe it or not, she's only had 2 sips.
Homemade applesauce, sweet potatoes, turkey breast, tenderloin, lobster risotto made with veggie broth, so there's no,
So I can
No
do
cheese.
the rice.
okay. Grilled asparagus. Ted, this is a meatless loaf with a vegan mushroom gravy, all homemade.
Awesome.
Banana muffins, blueberry muffins, and bread. Homemade cranberry sauce. Salad with just vinaigrette. Brussels sprouts, fruit.
Yum.
Good.
How's the loaf?
You're gonna like it.
I'm full. How was your food?
Good.
What'd you get?
Salad, Brussels sprouts, turkey, cranberry sauce, and sweet potatoes.
Yum. I ate the vegan loaf thing, which is actually pretty good. Sweet potatoes, Brussels sprouts, asparagus, and the dairy-free lobster risotto.
Oh, I ate that too.
Yeah, that was really good.
Oreo bun cake, plain bun cake with just a sugary coating on the outside. This is a lemon lime. This is chocolate chip bun cake, and this is German chocolate cake bun cake. I found a bunch of bun cake recipes during the pandemic, and I just went to town.
What'd you do with the rest of the cake?
That's what I said. It's in the freezer.
And then
the
this is your
pie.
vegan pumpkin pie.
Yay.
How's the pie?
It's really good.
Tastes like pumpkin pie, eh?
It does. Hello guys, so now it is a Friday and we're decorating for Christmas, obviously day after Thanksgiving, so my mom's getting started here as you can see, and me and Bryn and my dad are gonna go pick up a Christmas tree as soon as he's home, and then we're going on a family hike later, and then me and Bryn have a dinner with our friends. So that's today. Got this little sleigh here right now. There's whatever that is. Fun. Actually, we're gonna get Starbucks first because my dad's running late. So, coffee.
What do you want?
I want a grande almond milk latte with 2 pumps of sugar-free vanilla.
So the same thing you got yesterday?
Yep. Thank you. Thank you.
Says your name on it.
Are you volunteering me to go in the middle? Okay, I'll squish. Eek.
Go.
Can you hold my coffee?
You need like anything to strap anything in.
No. Pop, just put a new battery in this truck. And he's like, I hope it starts for you. I'm like, all right.
You don't really do anything.
We're just here for the adventure. There she goes. The tree is secured. Puppies, gotta move. We're bringing the tree in. Move. Looks pretty straight. Ready for the hike. Ready. We gotta stop at Chipotle. I ordered food. So guys, this is my Chipotle order. I thought I'd let you know because I think it's pretty fire and it's only $8. So I get brown rice, extra fajita veggies, and then it's a veggie bowl, so it comes with guac for free. So I get guac, and then I get mild salsa and corn and lettuce. And that's it. And then my dad gets the same exact thing, but what beans do you get? Black and
You're both.
Oh, black and pinto. Black and pinto. What do you get, Bryn?
What do I get? I would get what you got, but I would add chicken. Yeah, I would get a bowl, but I would add chicken to it. Probably, maybe cheese.
And sour cream.
Not both, either one or the other, depending on what I want.
Yummy. I get Chipotle at least once a week now. The veggie bowls are so good. Sometimes I make it at home. I try to like DIY it, but it's not the same. I'm not gonna lie. Only 23 minutes away. Do you have any goals for this hike?
No.
Mental goals?
No.
Nature. Your turn. Figure it out, Bryn. Someone wore the wrong shoes.
I wore these. Dad said, what shoes am I going to be faster in?
We crossed twice. This stream here, but then we crossed another stream. I think it was this one, wasn't it?
Plus, you don't even know, is there rocks there or is it just this leaves caught up right here?
All right, let me just go down and do it.
Eek.
Yeah.
We can just go around the other way.
You're going to have to stay there and help us get down.
I can do that.
Why can't I just go try?
Wait, let's just make sure once he gets over that if we get down there and then we have to come back up, then we're totally, because coming back up this way, I don't think it's going to be an option. So we go down and then we're okay? Do we ever have to come back up here though?
No. What?
Can I just walk back the other way?
Okay.
Yeah, you can go that way. Yes, if you feel better, you could go that way, but we're going to wait for you.
Bye.
Right there. Okay, now hang on.
Yay. How do I do that? My turn.
Now that I know that I can.
Okay.
I got it.
I recorded the whole thing. There you go.
Here we go.
Yeah, find Brittany.
Where'd she go? Oh, there. Bryn, you missed the adventure. Where would you fall? That's dangerous. Eek, it's really deep. Wow. You have to let go at like the exact right time. I'm at 5.99. Yay, last two standing. Lost Bryn and Mom along the way. My legs are jelly. Okay, clearly it's a little bit later. I took a nap because I was so freaking tired after that hike. But now it's about 6:10 and I'm gonna head out soon to get dinner with my friends, but I wanted to show you guys a little bit of my outfit of the night before I leave. So I got my hair in a little clip here and then just a bunch of gold jewelry from various places. And then I'm wearing this like high neck top from Zara underneath, and then this sweater is from Mint and Major. I think it's just like a small Maryland boutique my mom got it for me for my birthday. And then I'm wearing my favorite pants from Aritzia. I literally wear these all the time now, like they go with everything. My favorite winter pants, so I'm wearing those, and then just my chunky Steve Madden booties. Oh, and then I got a little bag here. And yeah, that is my outfit for the night. Anyway, I think I'm probably gonna end the vlog here because I'm not planning on bringing my camera to dinner, but hope you guys enjoyed this video and let me know if you want to see more vlogs. I can definitely film more. They're so easy and fun to film. Also, if you are not already subscribed, be sure to go ahead and do that. I post new videos every single Saturday, and also follow me on Instagram and TikTok. They are both at Ella_Elbells, so do that, and I will see you guys next week. Bye!